pleasant morning. Hello. Well, it's a beautiful morning. Good morning, Kiki. Come on. Oh, she's still sleeping. Sorry, guys. This is my first time in a video, using a pen, like a designer. So, okay. So I think first I'm gonna take a shower because I don't want my skincare to wash off. I'm horrible at using this. Oh, let's just leave this right here. Put my towel on. Okay, now let me put this right here. Then let me grab these soaps. Oh, let me throw this out. Okay, there. Now let me grab my soaps. Shout out to Toca Alice. She makes wonderful videos. Love her videos. They're wonderful. Go check her out. Get done taking a shower. Now let's just put these soaps back. Now let me brush my teeth. Oh, this is gonna be a struggle. Okay, put that back. Put this soap back. Time to brush my hair. Okay, now let's do my hair stuff. Okay. Okay, done drying it off. Hairspray. Okay. Use this. Comb it. Okay, now let's do my skincare. My favorite part of the day is doing my skincare. It's so satisfying. Some perfume. Oh, let me just grab that so I can grab this. Some face spray. Some of this. Don't really want to do any makeup. So, I'm all ready for the day. So, I'm gonna get Piper. So today it's the degrees are a little bit up. So we're gonna let me turn the light on now. So we're gonna go outside in the jacuzzi. But the temperatures are still really low. What should we eat? Some eggs. Eggs are delicious. And that means I need the pan. Let me turn this on. Put this right here. Now let's put the eggs on. Throw out this. start using a pen, okay, guys? So now, okay, now let's wait for that to cook. I wish I could, like, get, like, a chair for her instead of, like, her. Maybe I can, like, use this as, like, a chair. So she's not like that. So let's quickly do that. Here's your chair. Could you go on it? I'm not sure. Oh, but she can't. Then she can just like sit. Yeah, there. She can just like go on the table. Well, the eggs are done. Don't want them to burn. Let me quickly get us plates. No. This one's for me, and I'm getting you baby food. This one's for, well, you. Let me get you some baby food. And get me some eggs. There. Pretty sure these can only hold like 2 things. Or 1. So, just in case, I'm gonna eat 1. Now watch this soon. San Francisco. Okay. I wish we had a dishwasher. Doing the dishes is so, like, I don't like doing dishes. Oh, shh. Doing dishes has to be the worst part of the day. And then let me get that. Okay. Okay, now let's go outside. Let's get a rope for me. Let's get these ropes. Okay, let's turn the water on. Let's go in. Oh, to take her thing off. Oh, she's drowning. What happens if I just... Yes. And I'll just be holding her up. So guys, comment down below what my, like, what, like, if I should make, like, a new, like, series, or what should it be, or what should my next episode be, or should it just be, like, a video itself and, like, not a series? So guys, comment down below what you think what video I should make next. Okay, now back onto the video. Oh, isn't this so nice and peaceful? Oh, I need to go in here more. Ooh, can't even feel the cold air. Okay, so we gotta get it in soon because I need something important to do. like, I need to look for schools when she's like older. So yeah, I need to do that. Okay, it's time to get out. Then let me grab the ropes. Turn off this. There. So she just took her business out. I need to change her diaper. So I'm gonna grab the diaper from right here, and now I have to change her diaper. Oh, that was a lot of dust. There's baby powder. Oh, okay, now it's better sleeping back on because it is freezing. You have to turn on all the lights and open all the blinds. I think I need to go grocery shopping. So yeah, this was the closest one I can find, and like yeah. Oi, oi, Georgia. Oh, Mark, how you been doing? Boa. How about you? Good. Oh, you've learned some English? More English? Seem. Okay, well, I'm just going grocery shopping here. Can I take a bag? Seem. Okay, thank you, Mark. So, I think we need some, like, actual milk. Because we don't have actual milk. So, we need pizza. I don't think it can fit. There's let's get some chicken. We need fish. Oh my, I love fish. Not in real life though. I don't like fish in real life. Georgia likes fish. Georgia. Pineapple. I need to eat my greens. No, you already got one of these. Honestly, I think I need some of this. Ooh, can we have a dog? Or like, can we have a pet, please? Oh, but we already have Kiki. Let's get like something for Kiki. Kiki, like, he needs this, and let's get him a bone and a ball. Yeah, let's get these. He does like blue more though. So I think we're gonna replace the pink ball with this blue ball. How am I gonna carry this? Okay. And I need some of this. Because our bag's do you need help carrying these? Yes, please, Mark. That would be really helpful. Pay? Can I use Apple Pay? Seem. Okay. There we go. That looks cool. Dude, we paid. Thank you, Mark, so much. That was really big help. No problemo. There. You have a nice house. Keep it up. Thanks, Mark. Need to put this deodorant into here. Mark, if you want, you can stay. Like for a little bit. No, obrigado. Obrigado, though. Okay, well, bye, Mark. Ciao. Mark is the nicest guy I've ever met. Now let me go get Kiki to show him what I got. Kiki, come here. Look what I got for you. I need to go brush you. Okay, I'll put the brush right here. You can like play on your bed. There you go. Now you won't have to shout all over my room. And yeah, so guys, that was the end of the series. Comment down below what should happen in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.